Authority.
All right, welcome back in. High temperatures from today, nice and toasty, and we're going to see a lot more of the 90-degree days in store for us here the next several, basically through the rest of this week. We made it to 88 here in Lexington, Mount Sterling, Moorhead, 89 Frankfort, a couple spots like Somerset and Richmond at 90. As we go into the overnight tonight, anticipate temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 60s before we hit the low 90s tomorrow afternoon. And those low 90s likely feel like at least the mid 90s for us as we continue to battle some of that muggy dew points that we're going to be dealing with. And the next big thing that you've heard about time and time again now this week already is this big region of high pressure that is going to slowly work its way across from the upper Midwest through the east here, which we're already starting to catch a glimpse of, and that narrow area continues to work out back into the Atlantic and eventually breaks down for us pretty quickly, actually, as we head towards the weekend. So tomorrow and Thursday are both likely near or above 90. We'll float close to it both Friday and Saturday, but some storms could hold us back from getting all the way there. You can kind of see this in the upper level winds already. A little notch in the flow right there is a little energy that could kick up those scattered showers and thunderstorms. And you'll see that really time and time again as we set up into next week. Our heat and our humidity likely decrease a little bit. We get this big low that sets up north of the Great Lakes, and the upper level wind patterns flow from northwest and then down and around it. And with that, waves of energy come through very easily and allow for a bit of an unsettled weather pattern to set up. It does, though, however, lead us into what will likely be a slightly below average end to the month. We're talking maybe a few degrees here, so mid to low 80s, maybe if we're real lucky. After a good storm or two, we could possibly see some upper highs in the 70s for us. But nonetheless, that's a little further down the road. We got to focus on the next 7 days with the oppressive muggy meter coming back. Unfortunately, the humidity doesn't fade all that much even into next week as our temperatures do turn down, but eventually we will see it thin out just a little bit, and you'll notice that difference probably later into next week. But high pressure is what's keeping things clear currently. A nagging system in the south is going to continue to try to trickle a couple of storms into southern Kentucky for tomorrow, but most of us are going to stay mostly sunny and mostly dry as that high pressure center sort of fades through. Some mix of sunshine and cloud cover in there, but you'll notice everybody stays pretty dry. The next wave starts to roll in for us on Thursday. Remember that upper level disturbance I just showed you a minute ago? That's what results from it. Some very hit or miss isolated storm chances for you on Thursday, and then some more organized systems try to come in for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with scattered shower and thunderstorm opportunities each day. No day looks like a washout, but can't rule out the potential of maybe a strong to severe storm in there as we roll through the weekend and into early next week. On the other side of the storm chances, those temperatures come down a little bit, especially Tuesday, Wednesday.